Hey, Dr. Lindsey, I'm going to talk to you about a 49-year-old fellow now 2 years out from 2,505 grafts to the front third of his head. And he is a businessman. I think we've done one or two of his friends. He came in a couple of years ago and looked like this. And he looked like just a 47-year-old guy who's starting to lose some hair in the front part of his head. He's got relatively fine hairs, which make a couple of things. Fine hair, it takes more fine hairs to cover 1 square inch of scalp than fat hairs. The roots on fine hairs are more fragile, and fine hairs need a little bit more styling than fat bushy hairs do. Got plenty of videos showing me talking about trees, because this is like he's got skinny trees, and right here on my chin are big fat trees. All hair is similar to that, and the fatter the trees, the thicker the forest. The fatter the hairs, the thicker the recipient area looks afterwards. So we did this case on him when he came daily for cleaning. Here he is at a week, and then he came back at a month. Here's a close-up of his scar. And then I didn't see him back again for 25 months, and he walked in and seemed all giddy and happy and wouldn't do an interview because he is sometimes seen in the media, but he looks good. Here's his unremarkable looking forehead and recipient area at 25 months. And here's a close-up of the back of his head and the scar. So in summary, this is a pretty typical case of ours. It's an average man with an average hair loss pattern at an average age of about 50, late 40s to 50s, and looking unremarkable. Probably at 13 months, but since I didn't see him at 13 months, now 2 years out from his hair transplant. We do plenty of these. There's plenty of videos for you to look at. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.